Good morning, students. How are you all? Fine. We're meeting after 4 days. Do you know that? What is reason behind that we are meeting after 4 days? Because our timetable is changed and we are going to follow Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, two subjects, and Thursday, Friday, Saturday, two subjects. But for fifth standard, I think so three subjects are there. Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, three subjects, and Thursday, Friday, Saturday, three subjects. Okay, in this way, we are going to meet only on Thursday, Friday, and Saturday of the week. Okay, and we are meeting after the Saturday now. Okay, and we were talking about which sentences we were talking about affirmative and negative sentences. Listen. Now, what is affirmative sentences? Affirmative sentences are those sentences which tell something positive. Which tells something positive. Such words are called such sentences are called affirmative sentences, and the sentences which tells or which has not, none, never, such type of words in the sentence, such sentences are called negative sentences. Okay, now we studied first five sentences of there was a question, state whether the following sentences are affirmative. State whether the following sentences are affirmative or negative. So from that first five we have completed on Saturday. I would like to just repeat those first five. See, first, state whether the following sentences are affirmative or negative. First, Sanskrit is an ancient language. Now in this not, never, such type of words are used or what? No. So first sentence is what? Positive. So it is affirmative sentence. Second sentence which is given here is he never lies. Never word is there. It is a negative word. So what is second sentence? Second sentence is negative sentence. Third one, Shamu is a hard working farmer. It tells something positive, correct? He is very hard working man. So it is an affirmative sentence. Fourth one, neither Raj nor Rahul can tell us the truth. दोघांमधून कोणीच सांगू शकत नाही. काय? Truth. So fourth sentence is what? Negative. Neither word is there in the sentence and nor word is also there in the sentence. Fifth one, we will have the party tomorrow. What is fifth sentence? We will have the party tomorrow. Means it is very normal. It is positive sentence. That we are going tomorrow and we are going to have party tomorrow. In this way, fifth sentence is what? We will have party tomorrow. That is positive sentence. So it is affirmative sentence. Now 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 I have written on the board, and we are going to find out now which are these sentences, whether it is affirmative sentence or it is negative sentence. That we are going to find out now. Okay. First one, don't be impatient. There are people, those who are very curious to know something, or then if they want to study, then they become too much impatient. No, I should go at home and I should sit for studies and all. They take a lot of tension. Correct or not? People those who take more tension, then the situation becomes very critical of those people. If they will take more tension, then sometimes there is chances of what we call, they can do anything of their life. So here we told that one sentence is there, don't be impatient. Impatient means what? तुमच्यामध्ये पेशन्स पाहिजे. ओके, सहन करण्याची शक्ती पाहिजे. So don't be impatient. Impatient is what? It is opposite word of patience. So sixth sentence is talking about negative message. So it is negative sentence. What it is? It is negative sentence. Seventh sentence which is given over here is they did a fabulous job. Now, for example, if the students are told to do some social work, students go and do tree plantation. We will go on the roadside and we will plant trees. Then what will happen? All students will gather together. They will go. They will dig the ground. They will plant tree. And then what your teachers will say you? Your teachers will say you, oh, what a fabulous job you have done. Okay. Then this sentence is negative, or what? Did teacher say, what you are mad, or students, you don't know anything? it is negative sentence. But what sentence is given over here? They did a fabulous job. Fabulous means what? Very wonderful job. Wonderful म्हणजे काय? छान in मराठी. एकदम सुंदर काम केले मुलांनी किंवा एकदम वंडरफुल काम केले. सो the sentence is affirmative sentence. कोणता सेंटेन्स आहे हा? affirmative sentence. Now, eighth sentence which is given here is he is not a lazy boy. Someone said, "Hey, this boy is lazy, huh?" And then some another person said, "No, ma'am, he is not a lazy boy." म्हणजे तो काय आहे? तो आळशी नाहीये. Okay. So then the sentence is what? It is affirmative or it is negative sentence? The words, the sentences which are having not, never, like that words in it, those words are negative sentences. He is not a lazy boy. If question was like that, he is a lazy boy, then it was normal sentence, affirmative. He is not a lazy boy, it is negative sentence. But meaning is positive, huh? Sentence is negative, it is having not word in it, but what message which that sentence want to give us, that message is positive. तो कसा मुलगा आहे? तो कसा मुलगा आहे? तो नॉटी, तो लेझी मुलगा नाही. Okay. And here it is told the sentences which state something and have no, not, never, none, neither, nor in them are called negative sentences. Next one is ninth one. None of them passed the exam. None of them passed the exam. म्हणजे परीक्षेमध्ये कोणीच पास झालं नाही. So it is what? Negative. It is negative sentence. And last one, no one can live without air. No one can live without air. It is true. या जगामध्ये हवा जर नसली and if we will not breathe air, no one will live. Correct. Sentence is what? It is giving positive message, but the sentence has no in it, so it is a negative sentence. Understood? In this way, we have studied 10 examples of affirmative sentence and negative sentences. Now you will say, ma'am, what we are saying in this word, in this this message of the sentence is positive. Message is positive, but it is said that if the sentence is having words like no, nor, neither in them, or if they will state something about negativity, then those sentences are negative sentences. Messages are positive, message is positive. He is not a lazy boy. तो lazy नाही आहे. पण मग हा वाक्य काय आहे? हे वाक्य काय आहे? हे वाक्य निगेटिव्ह आहे. Okay? And in this way, what we have completed our chapter, lesson number 3, affirmative and negative sentences. Okay, I would like to show you page. See, in this way is the page of lesson number 3, affirmative and negative sentences. Can you see? All question answers are also there. Questions are there and answers are there. And what you have to do today? You have to write down question number 6, question number 7. Yes or no? Question number 1 you have written it on Saturday first time. What you have to do? You have to write down 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. You have to complete all sentences in your English grammar notebook. Okay? I think you have understood what is affirmative sentence and what is negative sentences. And if you want to know more in detail when we will meet in regular school, that time I will explain you everything in detail. Okay? Thank you for today. We will meet tomorrow. Okay? With new lesson. The name of new lesson is classes of sentences. There are parts of sentences. Classes means there are different sentences: assertive sentence, imperative sentence, then exclamatory sentence, interrogative sentence, declamation sentence. That I will explain you in tomorrow's period. Okay. Thank you for today. We'll meet tomorrow.